Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to activate restricted mode on YouTube PC. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open a browser. On the browser, go to youtube.com. Once you open youtube.com, then hang on for the page to open. Once you have it just like this, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile picture. Once you selected your profile picture, scroll down the profile picture page, locate and click on restricted mode. You see that? Once you click on restricted mode, you should say this help hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. Now to activate restricted mode, just go ahead and turn on activate, and then you're good. So when you refresh or visit YouTube, you will probably see mature videos on your YouTube homepage. And if you search for mature videos on YouTube, then you should have access to them. So that is basically how to activate restricted mode on YouTube PC. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.